What are the structural design deliverables for engineering firms? Some of the key structural design deliverables include 2D drafting and 3D modeling for various building structures, structural load calculations, foundation and roof structure design, structural element design such as plates, arches, shells, catenaries, structural sheet metal product design, structural analysis for various loads, retaining wall, frame, and lintel design drawings, structural stacks, skids, and tank designs, steel angle, channel, and plant structure design, and slab design drawings. Consult the BIM modelers of Tejjy Incorporated, a building information modeling, construction management, architectural, permit expedition and engineering services company in the USA at 202-465-4830 or info@tejjy.com.